Hey folks, today on Basic Home Maintenance, I just want to show you a quick rundown of PEX plumbing. So, in most modern houses, this is all you're going to find. It's called PEX, and it's just plastic plumbing pipe, and it's one of the easiest things to work with. So, let's say you want to add a valve or do your own repairs. It's super simple. You can find at any hardware store a kit that will come with the tool, the clamps, probably 1/2 inch and 3/4, but you might need to buy your own tube cutter. And you don't have to get the most expensive one, but get a decent one that's going to do a nice straight cut. So the most common sizes you're going to find will be 3/4 and 1/2 inch. This is a piece of 3/4. So when you're looking for your fittings, you'll see this is a 3/4 PEX by 3/4 male pipe thread adapter, and that's what it looks like. So the one end is PEX with the ribs, and the other is just a threaded 3/4 male fitting. So if you can open it, hang on. Once you get it out of the packaging, you can take your PEX, and let's pretend this isn't a nice clean cut already. Put it in your tube cutter where you want to cut it. Nice, clean, straight cut. The straighter the cut, the better the fit, and it'll just make your life easier to install it. So again, most common sizes, 1/2 and 3/4. Pretty easy to tell which one will fit around the pipe. It's a 3/4 clamp. So get it on first. It doesn't matter which way the pipe is facing. Insert your PEX fitting. Now follow the instructions on your kit. Most of them say leave about 1/8 to 1/4 gap from the end of the other fitting there. So you push it on as tight as you can, and then pull it back just about 1/8 of an inch. Take your tool, line it up with this raised head here, open the tool all the way, put it in, and you might need both hands. I'm going to do it just resting on the ground, and squeeze until the tool releases. And that's it. It's completely waterproof. It's done, tight. That's it. Now the best part is, if you do make a mistake, removal isn't the end of the world. If you need to remove a clamp, just take a pair of side cutters, right on it, twist, 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 and you'll eventually break it, and you can pop it right off. So once you've got the clamp cut off, get your set of channel locks, grab the fitting. You might wind up destroying it. Oh well, cheap mistake. Wiggle and pull and wiggle and pull, and eventually it'll come out. Now remember, don't reuse that once you've crimped it, because you've put indents into it. It won't be the same as a fresh new crimp. So just cut off that section of the pipe and try again. Anyways, I hope that was helpful, and until the next time. All right, take care, folks.